3 reasons why you need Watermark certified composite pipe. Unbeatable reliability, easy installation, and lasting performance.
I've worked with all kinds of pipes, but this one's multi-layer aluminum construction means it won't corrode, essential for commercial projects. It's lightweight, saves tons of labor hours, and the butt-welded joints totally prevent leaks.
Upgrade your installation. Choose certified quality.
Order now and experience hassle-free plumbing your team can count on.